got a big paint out coming up very soon, and I wanted to clean up my pastels, but I wanted to show you guys some stuff while I'm doing it. First of all, this is my little pastel box. It's a very small box that I got at either Target or Walmart. I think it's actually just a pencil case, but you can see by the size of my hand how big it is. It's just that it's able to be accessed on both sides. So it's not just the one. You can use both sides. This is a piece of mat board that's been cut to fit on the inside. This is a rubber band. These are 2 rubber bands together. And I hold this on here with the rubber bands. Pull those off so you can just see what's inside. These are my pastels. This is foam. It's memory foam that's been glued to the inside layer of the mat board. And this is what I use to hold my pastels in place. They're kind of messy right now, although they don't look as bad as I thought they would. The other side looks like this. Same configuration, memory foam glued to a piece of mat board. And there's all of the other colors, the warmer colors. They definitely are in desperate need of cleaning and rearranging. Now, you always have things arranged by color, families, and by value. That seems to work the best for me. Ideally, all of the colors, pastels that are in lighter value are closest to me, and the ones that are super, super dark are furthest away. And then they're arranged by value, getting closer to the latest value. So I wanted to share that with you. I also wanted to share this. This is where I put my extra pastels that I'm actually using. It's just a little food container. A couple of pieces of bubble wrap in there to keep them from jostling around too much. But these are the pastels that I would be currently using for a painting. Ideally, they should get put away at the end of the painting, but I tend to be kind of lazy and I haven't done that. But there they are. Eventually I will clean them too and put them in the box with the others. They all do fit in here, but it's a little bit of a fight to get them all back in place. But there they are. And that's how we do our pastel box for plein air.